So now let's start with fill and stroke. Okay, what is fill and stroke? Click and drag out a rectangle as shown, which I have done here. I have clicked create a rectangle. So this shape is not good. So let me press Control Z. Control Z is undo. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
so you'll find this option here. Undo move Control Z. Redo is Shift Control Z. If you want to go again to that shape, Shift Control Z. Sorry, I have done Control Z. That is undo move. So it is here. Click and drag on the rectangle is shown. By default, it has a white fill and black stroke. Stroke is the border of the shape. What it means is, see here, this is called fill and stroke. Okay, this is fill, this is stroke. Now this part is fill part. Now let's say I want to fill the stroke. That means a border, like black color. Here black fill is there. Okay, why it is not able to see? Because the stroke is less. So you can have more stroke from here, like in inch to 0.25, 0.0156, 1 inch. Okay, so this is stroke, this is fill. So example, if I change the fill color to red, so you'll be able to see the changes on the objects. If you want stroke in different design in width and height, so see, you'll get different type of stroke. So once we start working on this part, you will be able to see different type of stroke. Okay, so you can update it from here, you can update it from here or from here, and even I will explain you web colors. Presently, just to work on the shape object, I'm explaining you about the fill and stroke. So see, you can give different type of stroke from here. See, and if you want to add, there are different type of stroke from here. Okay, you have to go here, basic drop down menu, click it over here, brush libraries menus, and see, this is shadow type of stroke. Okay, so you can click it over here. See, you will get the shape, you will get the shape. So you can play with different type of stroke. So with depends on according to your file. Okay, you can add this stroke according to your file. You cannot add this stroke blindly.
Okay.
So wherever it is required, you can add that stroke. So here we have done fill stroke. And what is opacity? If I give 0%, you will not be able to see the file. Opacity 10%. So it is just a like you will see 0%, trans 10%, 20%, 30%. Okay. So if you don't want, you can just press here, and you can increase the opacity directly from here. Opacity you can increase and reduce. It will show your objects when you give 100%. If you want some objects here, okay, but less opacity, example rectangle tools with different colors, let's say black colors, and you don't want directly black color, just you want to see a dim light of the objects, then you have to press 30. In the difference, right? So this is 100, this is 30. Okay.
Okay.
This is about fill and stroke. So you see, this is fill, this is stroke. Let's explain you. Fill and stroke. You can just double click and select the colors. Let's start changing the fill colors for the rectangle. Double click the fill from the tool palette. It will pop up the color pickers. Drag the slider to blue or any colors and select the deep blue colors. Click OK after that. So this is what is an example. Removing stroke. Click the stroke in the tool palette. So you have to see. Or if you don't want any stroke, see, here is an option. Just select this stroke and click on this none. Done. If you don't want any fill, okay, if you don't want any fill, select on this, none. There is an object, but there is an object without fill and stop. Any questions?
Yeah, no.
So here, constant proportion. This I'll explain you from next class. Okay. So you can change the color, you can draw a shape, and you can edit the shape, and you can start working. You can start creating different objects and shapes by using different colors. And if you need any,
Stop and we can customize the shape code.
yes,
Shape we're using shape tools
yes,
and the colors.
yes,
Right?
yep. So you can start practicing, and what we can do is from tomorrow I'll start about the. See, I have done rotating tools for this. I'll explain you about the constant shapes. Okay, how to create a constant shapes, and the assignment is here, but I don't want to complete it today. Okay, so I'll explain you one by one in the next class. I have all these notes. I'll send you once we complete the course. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. We'll start tomorrow again. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.